Hi everybody, I'm Fiona and I thought I'd do more of a vlog style today because I've got lots to do and starting late is unfortunately normal. So first step, got my keys, need to head down to the local auto shop. I need some Loctite. Just jump in the Barry Ute. Barry Ute's my daily at the moment. I like my local super cheap and I'll tell you why. There's always something. Damn, look at this thing. Woo! Woo! Jeez! The problem with these places, there's always tools I want to buy. Here we go. Grab a couple. I'll tell you, this place, I don't know what it is with my local super cheap, but there's just car lovers here, clearly. There's the Z, home again. Alright, let's get this shit started. So I have what is my bolt-on Z and I'm getting stuck into it late in the afternoon because I've had a busy week and I slept in, let's be honest. But today I've got a whole bunch of GK parts. These GK Tech parts, they're, I want to install the arms and steering kit in the front of the Z today, or this video, or whatever that works out to be. At the moment, it's pretty stock in here except for the coilover. Let's get stuck in because the whole idea of this car is to get on the track, and sitting around in the garage talking to a camera doesn't achieve that. I did quickly, yep, this is there's the angle kit and the instructions, which I might have to have a quick look through. There is a fantastic YouTube channel by GK Tech on how to install all their parts, so I won't go into the technical side of it all. Rather, I'll just get it installed, shall we? I'll just quickly laid it out in its boxed form. I've got the upper and the lower along with the lock kit, so it's really just the three things simply to install. Of course, I've got all the extra bits and pieces that go along with what I need to put in. With varying adjustments and so forth. It's kind of technical and there are lots of good instructions on how to do this. GK Tech do a lovely video where they literally blitz through it. I'm sure people are watch pause that endlessly, but never mind. Either way, I do just want to try and get this done, so I'm going to get stuck in. So cue the time lapse. There's the extended lower control arms. It's the newer version. It's the GK Tech lock kit, and I've also got the upper control arms in, along with the not yet adjusted BC Racing coilovers. What I don't have is it's a little cone that comes off of one of the old arms, so I've actually got to pull that off, but I don't have a puller at the moment, so off to the store we go again. Put your foot down. Oh, I'm gonna get myself in trouble driving cars like this, I swear. Another trip to the store, another tool for another job. Oh. And that's all we wanted. Just for a little cone thing, which has to be transplanted. It goes in here. It's just logically that's I think where it comes from originally, but they reuse it to get this steering kit going. I haven't tightened up all the bolts, but it still needs to be run past a wheel alignment place, and I don't really know what the best settings are for a Z drift build, particularly for my level of experience, but there we go. Upper and lower control arms with the super lock kit, and it looks like it's got a reasonable amount of steering lock available. What a massive undertaking. Who would have thought changing the whole suspension setup in the front would take so long? I guess considering the car probably hasn't had anything undone since it was built, other than the coilovers that it came with. Only one bolt gave me a lot of trouble, but that's okay. We got through. It will need alignment because I don't know whether it's toe in, toe out. I have no idea. I'll put the wheels on it. I'll eyeball it and run it up and down the road just to make sure it's not too bad. But I need to pack this up because I'm getting a couple of things done while I'm on tour. Let's get the wheels on this thing. Alright, pretty happy with that. I don't really have the means to show you right now, but the steering angle's certainly a little bit wonky. Probably I wouldn't drive it too much, but definitely got a lot more lock. But I'm gonna get rolling. It's been a hectic week for me. I'm lucky to even get this done, but we'll keep pushing because I want more seat time. See you, bye.